Should I actually finish this? I used my chainsaw. There is support beneath. No, let's see. There is isolation. It's not the carrying construction. And there's mold, so I need to take this. I get a container in a week, so this is going into that. It's too bad. This is wood, lots of wood. And it's completely okay, except from in this corner. And I want stone instead. So what to do about this? Build a goat house? Build a small house outside maybe. I can't throw away anything. I fixed my window. So these are emergency times. Fixing the window myself. Now it's pretty okay. It will keep the weather out. And from a distance it looks fine. So it's gonna keep thieves out along with a elk and a potential bear. Maybe put this out, put woods inside the basement. I have no money for people repairing this, so I thought I was gonna do it myself. I don't know if I need to remove everything, but I don't have to use a lot of money, really. I don't have to.